The world today faces some critical environmental and social issues which impact us and call for informed and responsible choices in every aspect of our lives, including our investments. While socially responsible investing is important, it's not always easy to understand or define what it is. This is where the ESG criteria come into focus to help you invest responsibly. ESG investing is a sustainable investing approach that assesses companies on 3 non-financial parameters. Companies that show environmental empathy, companies that take charge of social responsibilities, and companies that demonstrate good corporate governance to ascertain risks and opportunities. While ESG investing is at a nascent stage in India, it offers investors a good scope for long-term growth. And to help you have an ESG-based portfolio, we present the ICICI Prudential ESG Fund. The fund works by identifying companies basis ESG scores, which reflect their strength and stability. This is done through a stringent stock selection process, basis an in-house research-based selection process, and from the Nifty 100 ESG Index. As a part of its allocation strategy, the fund invests from 80 to 100% in companies, basis their ESG score. This selection is also revalued at regular intervals, basis multiple factors. To maintain a portfolio with a suitable ESG score, thus helping investors by aiming to outperform in the long run and giving an opportunity for potential wealth creation, the ICICI Prudential ESG Fund also offers benefits such as diversified equity investments across sectors, lets you invest in sustainable companies with high growth prospects, has potential for better adaptability towards new regulations, and gives you exposure to long-standing companies which are ESG compliant, helping generate better risk-adjusted returns. So give your portfolio the benefit of environmentally and socially conscious companies with strong corporate governance standards and enjoy responsible investing with sustainable growth. All with the ICICI Prudential ESG Fund. NFO opens 21st September 2020. Fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.